Hi everyone.
Hello guys, this time around I have two XY breakthrough boosters from the Pokemon trading card game. You're not going to believe how I got these, but I won these at the arcade. And no, I did not get these really cheap. They were 1,400 tickets each. They were very expensive. But at least playing the arcade games were fun, so... Anyways, let's get opening these. I'm gonna go with Mewtwo first. Let's see what I get. Alright. Oh yeah, there's this. I also forgot about these code cards. Put that just to the side. Alright, starting things off with a Haunter, Cacturn, Wobbuffet, Hoot, a Cyndaquil, Spritzy, Remoraid, Axew. Reverse foil is... Yes! A Marowak Break. Very nice. Bone Revenge. This attack does 40 more damage for each prize card your opponent has taken. 140 HP. Nice. Let's see what the rare card is. It's probably not going to be any good anyways. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, Aruma Tisei. Poop rare. Put that right there. But, cool. There's still one more pack. I don't think I've gotten very many breakthrough cards. Or packs, that is. Okay. And here we go. Got a Quilladin, Vanillish, Mewtwo Spirit Link, Swinub, Ralts, Pansear, Meowth, Ghastly. Reverse foil is Ralts Common. For the rare, 3, 2, 1, and Empoleon foil. Okay. Dignified Fighter. Each of your basic Pokemon's attacks do 20 more damage to your opponent's active Pokemon. And Hydro Splash for 70 damage. 140 HP. Okay, so I got two good cards, in one in each booster, so Empoleon Foil and Marowak Break Ultra Rare. So I guess getting these booster packs at the arcade was kind of worth it. Alright, so there you go. That is going to do it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later. Take care.